Alright, let's continue to talk about all these forms that are related to foreign accounts. And we already covered the F bar. Let's continue to talk about Form 8938. So this form and is you can sort of treat this as a form of FATCA. So FATCA stands for the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. So basically, it's a law that passed decades ago. It's like 2010, and actually enacted in the 2011. And so basically, this just when I remember all these legislations, I not just remember the name, but also I dig down to the root cause of why they got this legislation in the first place. So it helps you to understand how they implement it, right? So basically, the FATCA is for for just the one main purpose is to stop U.S. taxpayer from hiding assets, from hiding money or investments. Remember, we're talking about this like financial asset there, right? Money, investments, and just to forbid them for hiding this in these foreign financial institutions. Okay, so basically, this FATCA legislation go two rail, right? You got like two ways of how to forbid this behavior, right? So first is from individual side, the other is from foreign financial institution side. Okay, so for individual, you must report a certain foreign financial asset. Okay, so basically that's the form 8938, and when they file, okay, they got like an annual tax return. You file and you attach that form with your tax return. You file that annually, as long as you reach a certain threshold while you're holding a foreign financial assets. Of course, as I said, this is like two rails. The other rails is foreign financial institutions. Okay, so for example, if it's like foreign banks, brokers, and insurance, and all that, you must identify, right? This is like U.S. Taxpayer like open their account there, right? And they also need to report the account held by U.S. person directly to IRS or via their local tax authorities. Basically, it's like global like agreements. Like more than 100 FATCA countries that take part in the intergovernmental agreements. Basically, it's like a sharing data network. Okay, so basically, the general rule of thumb is that for U.S. taxpayer, you need to report that as long as you reach a certain foreign asset threshold.